Department of Education in Science and Mathematics, Professor Animesh Mahapatra. Head Department of Education in Social Sciences and Humanities, Professor Ritanjali Das. Chief Warden, you must have interacted with him, Professor S.K. Das. In charge academic section, Professor Lakshmindra Behera. Doctor in campus, we have a beautiful dispensary and it is there for you all the time. So, doctors in campus, one is Dr. N. Chaudhary and Dr. Kavita Naik Madam. We have a beautiful library. Our deputy librarian is Professor P.L. Negi, and she is always ready to help you out, give you all the guidance regarding all the materials that you require for your course. Our NCC officer, Dr. Rasmekha Sethi, NSS officer, Dr. Kalina Ketaki, and health and physical education teacher we have Mr. B. Bhoi, and joint in charge academic section Dr. Arup Shah, who is the coordinator of the program. We have an important person which is important for you also, very important for you all, is our security supervisor, Dr. Mr. Ashok Kumar Valiyar Singh. So he is there always for you, and when you are going out, when you will come in, and all your problems related to your security and stay in the campus, you can contact him, security supervisor Ashok Kumar Valiyar Singh. And my dear students, and at the outset, I would like to welcome you all. Though you are now in second year, third semester, BSc BF students, BA BF students, and 2 year BF students, though you are in the second year, for us, you are still in the first year, because for the first time we are all meeting you all, and we are, I'm going to tell you about our institute, the kind of name and fame this institute has so far as quality teacher education is concerned. Again at the outset, I would like to congratulate you all, because you have joined this prestigious institute which has the mandate to impact quality teacher education. And you will definitely, after 2 years of your BEd, 2-year BEd, and after 4 years of BA BEd and BSc BEd, definitely you will realize what I have said today, that this is a prestigious institute and it has its name and fame in the country, in Odisha, in all the eastern part of India, and also in the country. And RI Bhubaneswar students, they have excelled in studies, and it is 100% placement you get when you pass out. If you are RI student, then you have an edge over others. So you will be preferred to other students if you are from RI. So again, I welcome you to be the alumni, after 40 years, you will be the alumni of RI Bhubaneswar. So I welcome you all again and be a part of our institute. And since you are here only for a few days, gradually you will know about our campus, about the teachers. And I would like to, with pride and with confidence, I would like to tell you that our faculty, they are the learned faculty, they are humble, they are caring, and they will always be there, ready, they will be ready to help you out. And we have a good faculty, I have my colleagues here also. I would like to welcome them also to this orientation program. Professor Manasi Madam, she is a very good teacher in physics, and Professor
Initially, this is offline face-to-face orientation program. I have been asked to speak about two things. One is regarding academic section, other one is Department of Extension Education, which is one of the departments of this institute. Firstly, with regard to the academic section, it is one of the important sections which links the students with university, which links the students and institutions with different agencies like placement agencies and scholarship agencies also. This section looks after four important things: examination, that is internal and conduction of linkage with university for conduction of university examinations. The scholarship, with regard to scholarship, there are different scholarships that are available, and NCERT has scholarship for students based upon merit and income, and all the students from SC, ST categories, they are provided scholarship, and from rest of the students, 50% based upon merit and income are selected for scholarship. And for information of my grade students, last year due to one criteria, because the criteria is the students should be hostelers, and last year hostel admission could not be done, so we are in the process, and based upon this admission, last year's scholarship will be provided. And apart from NCERT scholarship, so many other scholarships are there, and till today, your batch students, almost 27 scholarships we have verified and updated it. 3 scholarships, renewal scholarships we have updated. And with regard to scholarship for Northeastern states, UGC has one Kisan Uday scholarship. The amount is more than 5,000 per month. So students from integrated BSc BEd and BA BEd, 7-8 students they had applied, and it is verified from the institution level. And with regard to the placement, every year students are selected based upon reputed schools all over the country and abroad. Last year, more than 42 schools applied, but we have selected 12 schools, and they appeared online interview, and they selected almost 75 students from final year BSc BEd, BA BEd and BEd programs. And with regard to other activities like admission, all of you know you have been selected through CE, although last year CE could not be organized and it was conducted through mark basis. And with regard to the number of applications we received for this region, you'll be astonished that almost 60 to 65% of applications of the whole country we receive for RI Bhubaneswar. So now the admission process is going on for BA BEd, BSc BEd, first semester, and out of 13,000 forms, our students RI Bhubaneswar, it is 7,000 forms. So from 7,000 forms, we are selecting 165 students. And with regard to our section, we have Professor S.K. Das is in our section, Dr. Arup Saha, and Dean of Instruction, Professor Sandhyaran Sahu is head of the academic section, and under the leadership of principal, direction of principal, all the activities are taken care of. Secondly, with regard to the Department of Extension Education, it is one of the departments which links with all the states of the region, particularly Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Andaman Nicobar Island. And all the important programs of Government of India like Rashtriya Aviskar Abhiyan, Samagra Shiksha, ICT school scheme, so all these activities are also being taken care of, is being coordinated by Extension Department. And we have one state coordination committee meeting. We collect the needs of the states for pre-service, in-service and other important programs, and we regularly conduct programs and we monitor the programs also. And the Extension Department also organizes extension lectures on important themes and areas on school education and teacher education programs. I thank all the students, those who are present here, and all my colleagues. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Deputy Librarian, Medical Officer, NCC in charge, NSS officer, Chief Warden Sahab, physical education in charge, and all my colleagues and dear students. I join all my colleagues in welcoming you in this institute for physical interaction, physical get together. Though the orientation program is already over in last year or in the beginning of this year, but there was a difference that orientation was online and certain important things will be discussed, but those were not important that time. For example, how to execute COVID appropriate behavior, because now we are in strength, we have to see that as well as the ragging issue. So it was discussed at length that we can meet here in this auditorium for these two issues, but then there was also a discussion that why not then we should introduce ourselves, what we are and what we are doing, so that our fresh students, newcomers should know us actually physically also, that who is dean, who is head, they should know. And that's why this orientation program was again organized, and that's why your NCC in charge narrated that you are the luckiest person for having orientation program many times. So now I come to the point. Actually, this RI is prestigious institute, one of the 8 constituent units of NCERT and one of the 5 RIs of NCERT. Though it was discussed here about teaching, but this institute works for teaching, training, research, development, extension, dissemination, and it works as a regional resource center, regional model center of NCERT for furtherance of its objectives. As you must all be aware that NCERT is an apex body in the area of school education and looks after teacher education and advises to the Government of India. It is a policy suggesting body to the Government of India. It's very important, and RIs are working for the same objective in this region. And here teachers are participating, faculty is participating in textbook development, curriculum development, syllabus development, supplementary material development, teaching aids developments, kits development, different documents development, guidelines development in each and every activity of NCERT. So they are very busy, and we are working with the vision, with the aim to produce excellent teachers and to make this institute an excellent center, to sustain it, rather to enhance its capacity as an excellence in area of school education and teacher education. I will not take much time, though I have been given 10 minutes, but we are running late. So I would like to appeal here that we have still Corona is there. Though when you were not here, the campus was not looking us good, and now when you are here, then this campus is very good, but at the same time, we have to keep this caution in our mind that Corona is not have gone and it can even revive. So we have to be very careful. We will participate in all the activities with full enthusiasm, but keeping all those guidelines in mind, wearing mask, social distancing, etc., and will obey all the guidelines, SOPs issued from time to time by the Government of Odisha or by the Government of India or by UGC or by NCERT or by NCT. So all these things we have to obey. If it is found that a good number of students are not obeying it, we can suspend classes, then again you will suffer, and we want that you should not suffer, and our institute should run in full swing, it should come in mainstream, and you should give all the facilities, all the opportunities which you are expected to.